Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of spending hours scrubbing your car or battling stubborn dirt around your home, you're in for a treat. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best high-pressure car washing machines of 2024. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a gardening pro, or just looking for an easier way to clean, we've got something for you. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Cordless High-Pressure Washer Water Gun. The Cordless High-Pressure Washer Water Gun is designed to make your life easier. First off, let's talk about cordless convenience. Gone are the days of dragging around power cords. This high-pressure washer is completely wireless, so you can clean anywhere you want without being tethered to an outlet. This washer packs a punch with its 24-volt 5600 milliamp rechargeable battery. It's powerful enough to handle even the toughest grime and dirt with ease. And speaking of power, the pure copper motor inside ensures that water pressure is not just strong, but also reliable. This motor can amplify the water pressure up to 3 times, making cleaning faster and more efficient. The copper nozzle material is another highlight. Not only is it durable and long-lasting, but it's also designed to handle high-pressure water with ease. The Cordless High-Pressure Washer Water Gun comes with multiple water inlet methods. You can use it with a faucet or self-prime from any water source. Plus, you've got 3 adjustable water types to choose from, so whether you're washing your car, watering your garden, or tackling stubborn stains, this tool has got you covered. The washer comes with a range of high-quality extension accessories, making cleaning even more effortless. Installation is a snap with quick plug-in connectors, and removing the lithium battery for charging is super easy. Whether you need to wash your car, water your plants, or clean up around the house, this high-pressure washer does it all. It's not limited by the site or power source. You're free to clean anywhere, anytime. So, if you're ready to revolutionize your cleaning routine with a tool that's powerful, portable, and easy to use, look no further. The Cordless High-Pressure Washer Water Gun is here to make your life easier and your cleaning tasks faster. Number 4. Hohigh 1500-watt Cordless High-Pressure Car Washer Gun, a game-changer in the world of cordless cleaning. First off, let's talk about the cordless design. This high-pressure washer is completely wireless, so you can forget about the hassle of tangled cords or finding a power source. It's designed to give you freedom of movement, making cleaning a breeze no matter where you are. One of the standout features is the large-capacity lithium battery. It provides an impressive 45 minutes of cleaning time on a single charge. Plus, it's detachable and portable, making it easy to carry and store. You won't have to constantly recharge or replace batteries. It's all about convenience. The Hohigh washer gun packs a powerful punch with its 1500-watt motor and 30-bar pressure. It's equipped with a foam generator and a multifunctional nozzle that lets you switch between different water types easily. With a spray range of 7-10 meters, this machine is great for cleaning dirt off your car, washing garden tools, or even tackling outdoor grime. The multifunctional nozzle is a real game-changer. You can adjust the water type to suit your cleaning needs, from a powerful jet to a gentle spray. It has built-in intelligent protection with multiple safety features, including overload, overcurrent, overdischarge, overheating, and short-circuit protection. The 15-meter-long hose and the pure copper motor ensure you have plenty of reach and power for various cleaning tasks. The motor is paired with a 4-cylinder pressure pump and 14 plunger pumps to deliver consistent and powerful pressure. The Hohigh 1500-watt cordless high-pressure car washer gun is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. Its cordless design, powerful performance, and smart safety features make it a must-have for your cleaning arsenal. Number 3. Makita Cordless High-Pressure Cleaner Water Gun, a powerful, multifunctional cleaning machine that's designed to make your life easier. This high-pressure cleaner runs on a Makita 18-volt battery, and it's equipped with a hefty 13,000 milliamp Li-ion battery. This means you get the freedom to clean without being tethered to a power outlet. Move around easily and clean anytime, anywhere. With its cordless design and simple control, The Makita cleaner is all about convenience. The powerful all-copper motor provides impressive performance, and it features an automatic shutdown and start-stop function to ensure safe and efficient operation. The Makita cordless high-pressure cleaner comes with multiple spray options. You've got high-pressure direct injection for tough grime, a fan-shaped spray for wider coverage, and even a foam bottle for a more thorough clean. Switching between these water shapes is a breeze, making this tool perfect for everything from car washing to garden watering. Another standout feature is the built-in stainless steel fine filter screen. This filter ensures that impurities in the water are efficiently removed, which helps keep the machine running smoothly and extends its lifespan. Plus, the foam bottle attachment makes car washing a lot more convenient and effective. The self-priming feature is a game changer. You can use the Makita cleaner with various water sources thanks to its 5-meter suction pipe and metal water pipe. The design ensures good sealing and watertight operation, so you get consistent and powerful water flow. Number 2. Makita Brushless Electric High-Pressure Washer. This high-pressure washer boasts a 3,500-watt brushless motor. Now, what's great about a brushless motor? It doesn't generate sparks and experiences less wear, which means it's not only more efficient, but also more durable. This is a tool that's built to last. One of the standout features of the Makita washer is its cordless design. Powered by a 15,000 mAh lithium-ion rechargeable battery, this washer provides the freedom to clean without being tethered to a power source. That's right, you can use it anywhere there's water, whether it's from a bucket, a stream, or even a pool. And with a battery that provides long-lasting power, you can keep going without frequent recharges. The Makita Brushless Electric High-Pressure Washer offers impressive 200 bar pressure and a 4.1 liter per minuter water flow. This combination ensures powerful cleaning performance, perfect for removing tough grime and dirt. It also features a 5-meter water pipe with a reach of up to 10 meters, giving you plenty of flexibility. The washer includes a stainless steel fine screen that provides deep filtration of impurities. This helps protect the pump and extends the life of your machine. Plus, the 6-in-1 outlet lets you adjust the spray to suit various cleaning tasks, from a focused jet to a wider fan spray. The Makita Brushless Electric High-Pressure Washer is a powerful, efficient, and user-friendly tool that's perfect for both car washing and garden cleaning. Its cordless design, high-pressure performance, and durable build make it a fantastic investment for anyone looking to upgrade their cleaning routine. Number 1. BABEQ Electric High-Pressure Car Washer. The Baybeck washer delivers an impressive 200 bar pressure thanks to its brushless motor. This high-pressure performance is perfect for tackling tough grime on vehicles and outdoor surfaces, giving you a professional-grade clean every time. One of the best features of this washer is its 6-in-1 nozzle system. You can easily switch between different spray modes, from a gentle mist for delicate surfaces to a powerful jet for stubborn dirt. The Baybeck washer comes with a 20-volt lithium battery, which means you get extended battery life for those longer cleaning sessions. The battery's robust performance ensures that you have reliable power throughout your tasks. Plus, the universal battery socket is compatible with 18-volt Makita batteries, giving you flexibility in your power options. The Baybeck washer includes a built-in stainless steel fine filter. This filter effectively removes impurities from the water, ensuring a clean and consistent spray while protecting the pump and extending the machine's lifespan. Whether you're washing your car, watering the garden, or cleaning around the house, the BABEQ washer has you covered. Its self-priming feature allows for quick setup and efficient use. And with a 5-meter water hose, you have plenty of reach for all your cleaning needs. Another great addition is the foam rinse feature. Simply attach the foam bottle to the nozzle, and you're ready to tackle those extra dirty surfaces with ease. This feature makes car washing more convenient and effective. The intelligent induction variable frequency motor automatically starts and stops the water spray, which makes operation hassle-free. The brushless motor not only provides powerful performance, but also contributes to a longer lifespan for the washer. The lithium battery enhances this by extending the service life of the machine. The Baybeck 200-bar brushless high-pressure car washer is a top-notch tool for anyone looking to upgrade their cleaning routine. With its powerful performance, versatile nozzle system, and long-lasting battery, it's perfect for all your car washing and garden irrigation needs. And there you have it, our picks for the top 5 high-pressure car washing machines of 2024. Whether you're looking for power, versatility, or convenience, these machines are designed to make your cleaning tasks a breeze. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews and tips. If you're ready to get one of these awesome washers for yourself, check out the links in the description for the best deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cleaning!